buy too much makeup. I have too much makeup. I really like getting Boxycharm. You like watching Boxycharm. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. We're in this office, so you know what that means as far as the video that this is going to be, right? You've been here a while, then you know that this office means a very specific type of video. Let me just get the trash can out of the background here. I feel like I could do a little better, right? Try a little harder, do a little more. Let me just move the trash can. Yeah, that classes it up a bit. Classes it up just a bit more, makes it a little less, trashy? Trash can trashy? Yeah. Anyways. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the thumbnail and from the fact that I'm in this office, if you have been here and if you're new, hi, this is where I do my Boxycharm videos, which you would know if you've been here before, and if you haven't, now you know. If you ever see me in this office doing a Boxycharm unboxing, because I get my Boxycharm delivered to my office, and as soon as my box arrives, I sit down on my lunch break and I film it because I know you want to see it right away. I want you to see it right away, and so yeah, that's what's happening here today. I'm going to be opening up this little bad boy for you. It is Makeup Monday, I guess is what we'll call it. Normally I upload on Wednesdays, but since this is here already and I want to get it up immediately, I'm filming this on Monday at my lunch break, and it should be up within the hour because I'm going to edit the crap out of this as quickly as possible so that you guys can see what's in it. If you are new, by the way, hi, please subscribe, hang out. I know I got a lot of new friends with my last Boxycharm unboxing video, so if you're new and you're here because of that, please stick around. I put out other content as well, and I do this every month, and I usually get my box pretty quick, so if you subscribe, each month you'll see what's in it fairly quickly and early in the month, just saying. And I'm also saying that once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot at the moment, stock and trend mood, all that jazz, so make sure to subscribe, because to be entered, you will have to be subscribed, so let's help me get to 1,000, that'd be dope, and it will enter you in the giveaway, win-win, you know. Let's do that. Anyways, the point is, subscribe, like, say hi down below. Hi, I'm Brittany. Let's go ahead and get into this video, huh? Let's do that. If you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, just keep on watching. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into her, huh? Let's do it. Oh, and since I didn't mention it, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where $21 each month they take it from your account. One of these boxes gets delivered to wherever you want it to. It's got 4 to 5 full-size products to try and love. It's real legit. If you do have it, cool. If you don't, there'll be a link below in case you want it. Let's get into it. I did already go into it, and as you see, I got the card here. I've got little notes, the price down at the bottom. I went through and figured out what's cruelty-free, what the overall value is, all that jazz, preemptively, so that we could just flow through this, get it done. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I see in the box is this bad boy right here. This here is a mascara from Butter London. It is called the Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and it retails for $20. Let's see what the claims are. Okay, this is bold. It says, get 200% thicker lashes and just one coat and a 314 increase in lash curl. Where do they get these numbers? Where do they get these numbers? I don't know. I did look online for information on Butter London, and I could not confirm that they were cruelty-free. Their website does say that they don't test on animals, but that doesn't mean necessarily that it's cruelty-free. So if you know, comment down below to let me know, and also to let anybody else down below know if they're curious, because I do want to find out prior to using this, and if it's not, I will, you know, pass it along. But this retails for $20, and let's go ahead and look at the wand. I'm not going to open the wand just because if it isn't cruelty-free, I want to be able to donate it. But look, it's got a picture right there. Can you see it? So yes, please comment down below. Let me know if Butter London is cruelty-free, actually, because there wasn't a lot of information online. So I don't know. I don't know, man. Let me know. Alright, the next thing in the box is this bad boy here, which I'm pretty stoked about. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar, and this is called Make Them Blush. It's number 18 Hush Blush. I don't know the name, which one's the name and which one is, you know, the name of the product versus the name of the shade. But this is from Pretty Vulgar, and it is a blush, and this is the shade right here. This is so pretty. I saw one other unboxing video and she got a different shade, and I was like, ooh, I don't know about that, but this looks so me. And let's watch her. So that's the shade right there. That is super pretty, and I actually am excited to try more from Pretty Vulgar. We got their lip gloss in last month's, I believe, and it was good. It wasn't my shade, but as far as formula-wise, it felt good. And I personally did buy their highlighter in, I think it's Shimmering Swan. I could be wrong. I'll link it down below. It is gorgeous. It is so pretty. I don't feel like it's one that could go to all skin tones, but if it's good for your skin tone, the shade of the highlighter is gorgeous. So I will link that down below, but I'm excited to try this because the highlighter is one of my favorites. So I'm excited to try the blush. And this retails for $26. So that's not a cheap blush. So I'm glad that I didn't have to buy it at full price. That's all I'm saying. Alright, the next item I see in the box is this guy here. This is from the brand South Main, which I've never heard of before, and it is a pack of 3 of the gel eye packs. I love those. I use them all the time. I got some off Amazon, which I can't get anymore because they're from, I believe, China and, you know, animal testing, all the jazz, but I love these types of things to put on if I have time. If I don't have time every day. I used to do it all the time. Lately I've gotten lazy with it, but to put them under the eyes while I'm making breakfast and then take them off and do my makeup, in general, they work well. I've never tried this brand, but let's open it and see what they look like. I couldn't find information online on whether or not this was cruelty-free, but they do got the bunny, so I'm assuming that they are not such big liars and that they're cruelty-free. Yeah. Oh, cool, and they're just 3 little individually wrapped masks here. So it says they'll reduce puffiness, dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. Isn't that what we all want? Always, all the time, every second in life? I think so. My under eyes are almost 30 years old. They'll be 30 years old this year, so they could use all the help they can get, right? Who's with me? Who's with me? Okay, the next item I see is hiding down here, and it's this guy right here. So this item here is a smoky eye makeup brush set from the brand Vintage Cosmetics, and it looks like they are all synthetic brushes, so that's rad. Let's go ahead and open it up and see. I'm excited. I love getting makeup brushes in my subscriptions because I hate buying them. They're one of those things. I've said it before, I'll say it again, I'll say it 1,000 times. I hate buying makeup brushes so much, but I love to have them. It's like I could spend $20 on a lipstick or on a brush. I'd rather have the lipstick, so yeah, let's go ahead and open it. This box is pretty much impossible, so that's cool. Apparently we're never gonna get this open. There's a tape, and I'm really stupid. That's where we are here. I'm gonna accidentally stab myself. Okay, now that we got this open like just a Neanderthal. Okay, so it is just 3 brushes like this here. And it's got the steps written on the brushes, so that's kind of cute. This one says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3, girl, go, what? Go, girl, go. So, okay. I guess it's trying to help you figure out how to do it. This one's like a little bit of an angled one. I don't know why I'm going into such weird detail about these. You can see them. They're eyeshadow brushes. I'm happy to have them. Let's just see how they feel instead of trying to describe to you what they do, because honestly that's all relative anyway. What you use it for might not be what I use it for. These personally, the smaller ones in this shape, I like to use for my Cupid's bow contour. So, you know, you can use them for whatever you want, but this is really soft. I'm excited to try it. The handles feel nice. Let's move on. Yeah? Yeah? Did I tell you how much this is? Probably not, because I suck at this. Today is a weird day. I have weird energy. I just got this coffee, and I think I'm just really hyper now. Which is weird because like 5 minutes ago I thought I was going to die because I had a splitting headache and I had no energy, and now all of a sudden I'm like Superwoman and I can't stop talking at the speed of light. This brush set comes with 3 brushes and it retails for $23.15, which is an oddly specific price tag, but whatever. Maybe they sell them at Walmart. I know that that's like a Walmart type price tag, so let's move on. Let's go. Okay, and the last item in the box is the big one. And the one that we saw all the spoilers for online already, I'm sure. So I probably should have gotten this out of the way in the first place, because you might just click off now. Unless you want to see swatches, then don't click off, because I will be showing you those. At least some. Probably not all of them, but definitely some of them. And this is the Boxycharm and Pure frickin' eyeshadow palette. I don't know if you can see it. It's all, there you go. Boxycharm and Pure, right? Okay. I saw pictures online and it looks gorgeous. And we have gotten a Pure palette in Boxycharm before, and I love it. It was like a neutral palette and it was like, ugh, gorgeous. So let's look at these together. I haven't opened this yet. What? Something's happening. There's something stuck. Is there glue? What's that? Oh, again, with the tapes. I am just, you know, I don't know. I kind of wish they didn't put the tape on the outside, because now I feel like the outside of the palette's gonna have that sticky, and it's gonna get stuff stuck to it, and I'm gonna hate it. But you know, I don't make the rules, I guess. Whatever. While I'm trying to open this, I guess I should let you know that this retails for $36, and Pure is cruelty-free. They got the little hopping bunny on the back, so that's dope for anybody who cares about that. And if you don't care about that, I'm not judging you. I'm just saying, if you do, then just know that it is cruelty-free. And now that I got the tape off, let's now look at this together for the first time. Dude, look at those colors. Okay. This feels very spring. I see spring with these nice corals. I will say that these four are pretty similar, but these two are shimmers. These two look more like satiny, not quite matte. Oh my god, you can see me from all the angles. Don't look at me in those angles. They look gorgeous, like. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch a couple that I can fit on my palm. Obviously we gotta do the blue. I know you guys want the blue. This color, you can't see it on camera, I doubt, but it's amazing. Okay, just let me get you a few swatches. 1 second. Oh, and they got the names on here, so that's amazing. Thank you, Pure, for doing stuff, doing it right. Okay, so these are the shades that I've swatched for you here. I know, just ignore, this one looks crazy. It's like over my calluses, because I have like gnarly calluses right there from weightlifting. So ignore that. But these are the shades here. I will tell you the names. 1 second, I'm gonna be looking down. Sorry. This is BFF. This is MIA, Alliance, Charmer, ATL, and Boxy Black, which I thought was cute. I like how they have a couple nods to Boxycharm. They also have Perfect, but it's spelled like pure. Yeah, this is on one name Duet, and it's a duet between, you know, Boxycharm and Pure, so I think that's adorable. I'm really excited to play with this. Comment down below and let me know if you want a tutorial with it, because I will 100% do it, because I really want to use this palette. Okay, so the overall value of the box this month is about $115. I don't think it accounts for tax. Not like that really matters, because I mean, you pay $21 each month. The box is always $100 or more. This month, $115. I think that's a good deal, because even if you just wanted one of these, I'm pretty sure almost everything. The majority of the things in this box cost more than the box. So even if you just like one thing, you're still getting your money's worth. And if you like two things, you're on top. And I like all the things, so I'm just on top of the world. I almost knocked my coffee. Comment down below, let me know what your favorite item was, or if you have any questions, comment down below and ask me the question. I'm very interested in talking with you guys here. Let me know if you have Boxycharm or if you're thinking of getting it, and if I've convinced you to get it, that's so cool, and if not, that's cool too. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy Boxycharm videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway, and if you're subscribed, you'll be automatically entered for the giveaway, at least for one part of the giveaway. What? I don't know what I'm saying. But make sure to subscribe so that you can be eligible to enter the giveaway and to be part of my little clique. I don't have a nickname for the people who watch me. Brats? That just seems, I don't know. Is that weird? You guys my brats? Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Did you like what you just saw? If you did, you should go ahead and click on one of these little links over here. It'll take you to videos I put up in the past. If you click on my face, right around here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. I think you should do this, as I've said always. I think it's a good idea. So, you know, if you want to, go for it, and I'll see you next time.